If you've lost access to your Facebook account and can't receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Go to the Facebook website and click on Forgotten Password. This will lead you to the account recovery options. Step 2. Identify your account. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. If you don't have access to these, you can also try entering your full name or username to locate your account. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Once your account is identified, Facebook will present options for receiving a recovery code. If you can't access the listed email or phone number, select No longer have access to these to proceed. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up previously. This may help verify your identity and allow you to proceed with the recovery process. Step 5. Use trusted contacts. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If these steps do not work, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. Good luck.